Before we get into today's video, your 60-second AI news hit. This week has been one of the biggest in AI all year. Anthropic, the company behind Claude, filed for an IPO this week at a valuation of nearly $1 trillion. That's not a typo. NVIDIA unveiled its most powerful AI model yet at Computex, a 550 billion parameter open model that is now the most capable of its kind ever built. And a new study published this week found that AI is now diagnosing certain cancers with higher accuracy than specialist doctors in real clinical settings. Not lab conditions, real hospitals, real patients. That last story leads perfectly into today's video. Because AI in your health is one of the most important and most practical topics we can cover right now. Let's get into it. Most people think of AI as something that lives on their phone or laptop, something that writes emails or answers questions. But AI is quietly moving into the most personal part of your life. Your body, your sleep, your diet, your doctor's appointment, your mental health. And unlike most AI applications, this one has the potential to genuinely extend your life. Today, I'm going to walk you through 7 ways AI is already changing your health. And for each one, I'm going to tell you exactly how to use it right now. No expensive subscriptions, just practical knowledge you can use today. Thing 1. Use AI to get a second opinion on any symptoms you're experiencing. Before you worry yourself into a spiral on Google, try AI instead. Open ChatGPT or Claude and describe your symptoms clearly and specifically. Include your age, how long you've had the symptoms, anything that makes them better or worse, and any relevant medical history. Ask it to explain what conditions could cause these symptoms, which ones are most likely, and which warning signs would mean you should see a doctor urgently. AI won't diagnose you. It's not a doctor, and it will tell you so. But it will give you a clear, calm, informed starting point. Far more useful than a Google search that convinces you have a rare tropical disease. Use it to prepare for your GP appointment. Arrive knowing the right questions to ask. That makes you a better informed patient. And better informed patients get better care. Thing 2. Use AI to build a personalized meal plan. Generic nutrition advice is almost useless. Eat 5 a day. Cut saturated fat. Reduce sugar. The same advice for everyone, regardless of your age, weight, health conditions, or goals. AI lets you get specific. Open your AI tool and describe your situation in detail. Your age, your weight goals, any health conditions, foods you hate, dietary restrictions, how much time you have to cook, your budget. Then ask it to create a personalized weekly meal plan with a shopping list. What you get back in 20 seconds is tailored to you, not to an average person who doesn't exist. Adjust it by asking follow-up questions. Too many chicken dishes? Ask for more variety. Need it cheaper? Ask it to redesign around budget ingredients. The average UK household wastes £700 of food a year. A weekly AI meal plan with a shopping list fixes that almost immediately. Thing 3. Use AI to understand your medical letters and test results. Have you ever received a letter from the hospital and genuinely not understood what it means? Or got blood test results with numbers and reference ranges that mean nothing to you? Paste them into AI. Ask it to explain in plain English what the results mean, what's within normal range, what's outside it, and what questions you should be asking your doctor. This isn't replacing your doctor. It's helping you understand what they've already told you. And a patient who understands their own health is a patient who can have a much more productive conversation with their GP. Thing 4. Use your wearable data more intelligently. If you wear a smartwatch or fitness tracker, you're generating thousands of data points every single day. Most people glance at their step count and ignore everything else. Here's what to do instead. Take a screenshot of your weekly health summary, sleep scores, heart rate data, HRV, activity, and describe it to your AI tool. Ask it what the patterns suggest about your recovery, your stress levels, and your sleep quality. Ask it what 1 or 2 changes would likely have the biggest impact on your scores. The AI won't have perfect context, but it can spot patterns in your data and give you genuinely useful starting points for improving how you feel. Your wearable is already collecting the data. AI helps you actually use it. Thing 5. Use AI to build a sleep improvement plan. Poor sleep is one of the most damaging things for your health, and one of the most fixable. Most sleep advice is generic. AI can make it personal. Describe your sleep situation in detail. Your bedtime, wake time, how long it takes to fall asleep. Whether you wake in the night, your caffeine intake, your exercise habits, your screen use before bed. Ask AI what the most likely causes of your specific sleep issues are, and what changes would have the biggest impact. Ask it to build you a 2-week sleep improvement protocol based on your exact situation. This isn't magic, but it's significantly better than generic advice, because it's based on your life, not someone else's. Thing 6. Use AI to track and improve your mental well-being. This one is the most personal and the most important to handle carefully. AI mental health tools are not a replacement for professional support. If you are struggling seriously, please speak to your GP. That matters more than anything in this video. But for day-to-day stress management and mental well-being, AI can be genuinely useful. You can use AI as a thinking partner. Describe what's on your mind, what's stressing you, what feels overwhelming. Ask it to help you think through the situation clearly. You can ask it for cognitive behavioral techniques for managing a specific type of anxiety or worry. You can use it to build a daily well-being routine, morning habits, wind-down practices, stress reduction techniques, tailored to your schedule and lifestyle. Used carefully, as a tool alongside other support, rather than instead of it, AI can make a genuine difference to how you manage your mental health day to day. Thing 7. Use AI to prepare for GP appointments. The average GP appointment in the UK is 7 minutes. 7 minutes to explain your symptoms, get a diagnosis, understand a treatment plan, and ask questions. Most people walk out having forgotten half of what they wanted to ask. Here's how AI fixes that. Before any GP appointment, open your AI tool and describe your symptoms, your medical history, and what you're hoping to get from the appointment. Ask it to help you prepare a clear, concise summary of your situation that you can share with your doctor. Ask it to generate a list of the 3 to 5 most important questions to ask given your situation. Walk into the appointment prepared. Walk out with the information you actually needed. 7 minutes is enough, if you use them well. So there you have it. 7 ways to use AI for your health right now. Second opinions on symptoms. Personalised meal plans. Understanding your medical letters. Using your wearable data better. Improving your sleep. Supporting your mental well-being. And making the most of your GP appointments. None of these cost money. None require technical skills. All of them are available today with a free AI account. Your health is the most important thing you have. AI doesn't replace the people who care for it. Your doctors, your loved ones, you. But used well, it gives you better information, better questions, and better habits. And that is worth a lot. Which of these 7 are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you're enjoying these videos, like and subscribe. And I will see you next time, where we will discuss how to use AI to help your kids learn faster without doing the work for them. See you there.